So today your friends are getting ranks in the test formative assessment, so that those who are getting the rank and highest marks, they will got the school badges, so they will wear till the next test. Okay, don't worry about uh, ba- um, back marks. Okay, huh? Try, keep on trying so that you can get next test success. Okay, and congratulations to those who have got the badges. Okay, keep on trying. Failure is not a defeat. Okay, but not to try is a real defeat. Thank you.